Hey everyone, just a quick video on what I expect when I tell you to upload a picture of your work on the Classkick. If it's a full page, you're probably going to have to use two pictures, one for the top and one for the bottom. If it's just a certain problem, you can get that in one picture. So this is what you do. Press the camera at the top of the page, press camera, and then you try and get as close as you can, get the top half as much as can be. And then you make sure you push capture. And the closer you are, the better, so you can read it. Right. You can always enlarge it. I should be able to clearly read everything. If you feel a need to enlarge it, please enlarge it. And then you're gonna take a picture of the second half. So I'm gonna press camera again, camera, and now I want everything from C and below, because that's where I left off. If you have to do it in 3 pictures, then do it in 3 pictures. Capture. And I kind of cut off this one part. So I'm going to delete that. That wasn't good because I want to definitely be able to see that table. So that's better. Capture. Okay, now I can see everything. Again, I probably want to enlarge this so that I can read it. And try and line them up. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I can read it clearly and easily. If you have a better way, let me know. There are ways that you can scan on your cell phone. If you would want to scan and then send it to yourself and upload it that way, you can do that, but that takes a lot more time. Thanks.